What's there?
There.
What is that?
What's that?
Show me.
Show me. That.
What's that?
That.
Abigail, what is that?
That.
What is that?
Look.
It's a lock?
Yeah.
Can you open the door now?
No.
Can you try?
No. It's closed.
It's closed?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go back.
Abigail.
Can you run to Daddy? Run, 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 run. Daddy, 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 Daddy. Run. Wow. 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 You're flying? What is all that flying? Oh, no. What do you have in there?
Hold on.
Abigail. Oh, no. You're upside down?
Again.
Hey, I can see your tuches.
Oh, look at Tushy.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Abigail.
Don't take me walk.
Okay. You want to walk on your hands? Put your hands down. Walk on your hands.
I can see the tuches.
Oh, shake your tushy. Shake your tushy. Shake the tushy.
Abigail. Oh, we can see that your tushy.
All right. You want to do one more time? Let's sing. All right, one more time, then we're going to go get ready for bed, okay?
Don't tickle me.
One more time, we'll go get ready for bed. Let's put this down so we don't break it.
I'll take it back.
We'll take a bath tomorrow.
No.
We took one last night. You want to flip upside down?
Again.
Count to 11.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Go all the way to 11.
11.
1, 2.
3.
Wow, Abigail. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Again.
Walk on your hands. Walk with your hands. I'll hold your legs. Walk with your hands.
She doesn't get it.
Into a somersault. Put your head down. Head down. We'll do somersault.
She doesn't start it.
Or not.
Again.
Abigail.
Uh-oh, is your tush hanging out?
Can you pull up your pants?
I guess she lost the diamonds.
Again.
Wow. 1, 2.
Out there.
You want to go upside down?
Yeah.
Okay, your tushy's hanging out. You should pull up your pants. There we go. Upside down.
Did you bite my puppet?
Abigail, are you hungry? You ate Daddy's poopy?
You want to spin on your head? Again?
Yeah, but don't show this video to Abba because
Yeah.
he'll get good ideas.
Okay.
Don't you think that I thought about it before you told me? Abigail.
Alright, I don't like her. All the blood is rushing to her head, so.
That's the last time. Wow.
Oh,
No, that was the last time.
Pull up your pants, baby. I can see your butt crack.
Abigail, shake your tushy. Shake it.
Shake it,
Oh,
shake it.
shake it like a Polaroid picture.